Today's analysis is brought to you by Forex. With Forex as a trader, you can get to trade over 300 trading instruments from any financial markets, be it the commodity or the stock or the Forex or the crypto or the indices. So whatever of these financial markets, right, the trading instruments or whatever trading instruments you trade, right, with Forex, you can gain access to these instruments you can trade. And this InstaForest is currently offering a bonus, right, which is a 30% deposit bonus, whereby once you deposit, you are going to get 30% deposit bonus. There is also an X bonus promotion where eligible clients can receive an enhanced deposit bonus of up to 1,000 times their deposit. To be part of this and to learn more and to gain this bonus, make sure you visit instaforex.com. You'll find the link in the description. Starting with our trend for the day on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY is clearly in an uptrend move. This is the my current trend. So we are going to make use of the current trend. We see this as an impulsive move, and we will see this as a corrective phase. This is also to be seen as an impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. This is also going to be seen as the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. So with this corrective phase, we are to expect market to give us another impulsive move, meaning we are to expect or anticipate for a buy for the day on our GBP JPY. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame right here. For now, market is dropping. Although in the long run, probably we will see for swing traders, right? For swing traders that would like to hold their position for the next 5, 6, 7 days, you might want to be looking for the buy. But for day traders that would want to look at their position for the day, which is this Thursday, you might want to see market selling. But first, a pullback will likely play out. Reason why I said is that if you see this to be your first low and this is your first lower high, this is your second lower low. Of course, there should be a pullback, which should be a lower high before markets will eventually drop. So we are to expect market to give us this retracements at a level of, let's target 216.550. So we are to expect the corrective phase to a level of 216.550 for the day. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So if you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit instaforex.com to be part of the bonus and exclusive offer that is currently ongoing.